You might not have thought you'd ever get around to using the high school geometry, but if you've ever had to lay out lines at a perfectly square 90-degree corner, here's a chance to use it. If it's a large project like this where we're extending the patio, a framing square would be too small, it wouldn't be accurate enough. So we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, and it's based on a 3-4-5 ratio. So along one line, I measured and marked 3 feet, and along the intersecting line, I did the same thing only at 4 feet. And now, to put the theorem into practice, you simply measure across the 2 lines, and you move the stake in or out until the 5-foot mark lines up exactly with the mark that you made on the line. Then you can drive in the stake, and it won't be perfectly in line the first time, but you can move the stake in or out, side to side, as you need to. And this works, here I did it at 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, but you can use any of those ratios, so it could be 6, 8, or 10. The larger the project, the larger the numbers, the more accurate it'll be.